Try using it for different tasks such as brainstorming ideas, editing text, or even generating funny jokes. Hey there, awesome people. Welcome back to our channel, Tutorologist. Today we have got something truly revolutionary for you. If you haven't heard about ChatGPT by OpenAI yet, then get ready to be amazed. It's a game-changing AI tool that can make your life so much easier. And we are here to show you how to use it step by step. So buckle up, let's dive into the world of ChatGPT. Before we begin, let's quickly cover what ChatGPT actually is. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's an incredibly powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of tasks like drafting emails, writing code, answering questions, and even creating content like this very script. Now let's get started with how you can use it. Step 1. Sign up for OpenAI. To start using ChatGPT, head over to the OpenAI website at openai.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on Get Started and create one. Fill out the required information and you're all set to explore this amazing AI tool. Step 2. Choose your plan. OpenAI offers different plans to suit your needs. For beginners, there is a free trial available, so you can test it without any commitment. But if you're ready to dive in, there are subscription plans with additional benefits like faster response times and priority access to new features. Pick up the plan that works the best for you. Step 3. Access ChatGPT. Once you've signed up and chosen your plan, it's time to access ChatGPT. Log into your OpenAI account and navigate to the ChatGPT section. You will find a user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners. So don't worry if you're new to AI. Step 4. Start the conversation. Now here's where the fun begins. Simply type your query or request into the text box and hit send. ChatGPT will then generate a response in a matter of seconds. You can ask questions, request information, or even have a casual chat. The possibilities are virtually endless. Step 5. Experiment and have fun. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you will understand its capabilities. Try using it for different tasks such as brainstorming ideas, editing text, or even generating funny jokes. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore all the awesome features this AI tool has to offer. Step 6. Share your experience. The ChatGPT community is filled with creative and innovative individuals just like you. Share your experience with others, learn from their tips and tricks, and keep up to date with new developments. You can join forums, follow OpenAI on social media, and subscribe to the newsletters to stay in the loop. Step 7. Upgrade and expand. As you become more comfortable with ChatGPT, you might want to consider upgrading your plan or integrating API into your own applications. With OpenAI's API, you can build custom tools that harness the power of ChatGPT to meet your specific needs. So sky's the limit when it comes to AI-powered innovation. And that's it, folks. You're now ready to embark on your ChatGPT journey. We hope you found this beginner's guide helpful and that you're as excited as we are to unlock the full potential of this incredible AI tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Feel free to leave a comment below with your ChatGPT experiences or any questions you might have. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.